Hi, this is Mike with MarineMax Sail and Ski in San Antonio, Texas. Let's take a good look at this 2020 Bayliner VR5. This one's optioned with the VR5 Sport Package, done in red gel coat. Ties in the stainless steel rub rail. Got the Xtreme tower with integrated Bimini top. New graphics for this year. The red really pops, looks great on the water. Really sporty looking. People love the VR5 swim platform. It's nice and wide. Plenty of room back here. We've done the optional gray matte flooring. Gives you secure floor, soft on the feet, easy to take care of. When you're coming from the water into the boat, we've got a nice reboarding ladder. Stainless steel, of course. Easy transition into the boat. Nice wide dedicated walk-through area there. This boat rides on a tandem axle trailer. It's got surge brakes and a swing away tongue. LED lights. Really nicely done. Completes the whole package, allows you to take the fun on the road. Once on the swim platform, they made it easy to transition into the cockpit of the boat with this dedicated walkthrough. It's more than just a dedicated walkthrough, it actually converts into a sun lounge. So if you want to spend some time in the cove, have a relaxing angled backrest, you've got that nice sun pad lounge area there. Easily opens up. You also have additional storage here. It could be wet storage because it does have a drain, so if you want to use it for an ice chest, feel free. Moving to the bow of the boat, you'll notice that the VR5 has a really wide bow area. They're taking advantage of the most space they could possibly use in here to give the most comfort. A couple key features we've done is additional bow speakers so your front passengers can hear the music. We do have dedicated cup holders, stainless steel grab handles, storage underneath all of these seats here so you can take advantage of all the storage. This port side seat is actually a multi-position seat. This is a forward-facing position. You can actually choose to lock it as a rear-facing lounge so you can watch out the back of the boat. Or if you choose to make it a full-size length lounge, you've got that option as well. In the port side console, dedicated cup holder. Kind of a catch-all for cell phones, wallets, car keys, things of that nature. If you plan on bringing some skis along, we've got a nice ski locker built into the floor. It's all smooth gel coat finish, self-supporting with a gas strut. Closes nicely with the stainless latch. You notice the helm is very well laid out, easy to see all of your gauges. You do have tilt wheel. Your helm seat will slide forward and aft. It'll swivel. Also has a lift-up bolster, so if you want to sit up higher, you can. Pay attention, we've got the optional digital depth finder, and of course your cup holders are stainless steel because we do the stainless steel package on this particular boat. Moving aft, another dedicated storage with a drain, so if you want to use it for an ice chest, you're welcome to. For power, we have the MerCruiser 4.5 liter V6. This engine was designed by MerCruiser for the ultimate performance for low end torque, acceleration. Really pushes this boat quite nicely. Water sport's no problem. For the end user, the key things that you'll enjoy is how easy it is to check your daily checks for your oil, your drive lube. It even has a quick drain system for wintertime storage to get rid of the water. Thank you very much for taking a tour of the boat with me. Feel free to contact any of our 3 locations in San Antonio, Austin, Lakeway. Schedule appointments to come by and review the boat in person.